Alright, so this is the Rokit Smart Box. So I'll be showing you everything that comes with the box. So go ahead and open it up. So the first thing that you'll see here is this little paper here. This has all the pin numbers for each of the things, so that way when you start programming it, you know which pin numbers go with which items. The backside also has a little overview of everything that's in the kit, some instructions on how to install the software and get all of that going. So make sure you look that over. Next, as we start going through, you'll see in this top left corner, we have two DC motors. They're continuous rotation, just little nice little motors. We also have a pair of wheels to go with them. And then there should be a package of 4 of your blue boards. These are kind of like your big building blocks. Then here in this front left corner, we have this little tray, blue tray that has all of your nuts and bolts and standoffs and everything that you need for doing that sort of stuff, your little connecting pieces. Then off on this side, we'll start with the battery box. So this just holds 4 AA batteries, and then it just has its little plug and attachment points. Then we have, these are little DC motor servo horns. So they just go on the end, and then you can attach pieces to your motors for if you ever want to spin some parts. You also have your Phillips screwdriver and a nut driver for tightening up your nuts and bolts. We also have a IR remote. It has up to 4 channels, so you can have 4 different robots running. And then also it has several different directions and buttons you can use, and even comes with 1 battery with it. Then we also have the download cable. This is the version that's a little bit newer. It's the FTDI one, has a micro USB. It's also one that has a mini USB. Then there's the frame pieces. So these are all your metal parts. You'll have a bunch of L's and different lengths of straight pieces. And then finally we have the Smart Inventor board. So if we look at the Smart Inventor board a little bit closer, we can see that there are a bunch of stuff on it already. So your main power switch is right here, and right next to that is your battery connector. Then we have these dip switches over here. They put it into different modes. With the very left one switched up, puts it into program mode, and that one switched down puts it into run mode. Also along the top here, there are 3 infrared sensors. So those ones you can use to measure distance and such. Along the bottom, there's another 7 of them. These ones can also be used to measure distance or color. There's also another additional 5 analog and 5 digital pins, so you can hook up more external sensors. There's also 4 motor controllers on here, so you can connect up to 4 motors to this board. And then down here in this bottom corner is the connection for using your USB cable to upload.